told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, no.
60%, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0%. That is off. I close every curtain. Yeah, but here is not that quite dark actually. Yeah, because I'm doing this video. This is after 2. So, but later I will open the curtain. You will see if you will notice any difference. Then 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's reduce the light. 4,900, 4,800, 46, 45, 44. The yellow light is pumping out more. It's coming out more. Why the white one is reducing? Yeah, because it has 2 lights, yellow and white. Now the white is totally off. Yeah, it's remaining only the yellow, and it cannot go down more than this. That is the yellow, but it's not showing yellow here, but it's yellow. $3,300, $3,400, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40. So I think it's dimming instead of rising. That is what I don't actually understand. Let's reduce the percentage and see if it will go. Still the same. At 40, I think 50 is bright, but not okay. 100. Let's reduce. 100. Sorry, 100. $45 is actually good. It's good to film. It's from 4,000. Yeah, I think it's actually good for video. That is video lightening. When you're trying to reduce it, it seems that it's reducing. Yeah, it's reducing. I don't know if you can see what I mean. Let's see. Let's go back to 100%. Yeah, then let's go a little bit down. I think 5,000 is quite good to film. As from 500, for 500 to 5,000 is actually good to film. Yeah, the light is good. It's quite good. I like it. It's solid, made of metal. It's metal, not plastic. Metal all over. And the tripod is not the best, but it gets the work done. There's nothing I like about it. It's good, but along the line I will still change the tripod. I'll go for C-stand. Yeah, that one will carry the 2 and be able to hold the 2 lights and the camera on, because now I'm filming with my phone. But in the nearest future I will get a camera. Then hopefully my video will be more brighter and clearer, vibrant looking. It will be vibrant. Yeah, I think that will be all for now. That will be all for now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your care. Everything I really appreciate. Thanks a lot. Alright. Please don't, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that it will be notified to other people, so that YouTube will push the video more and more. But if you watch without giving it a thumbs up, that means you don't like the video. But if you truly love what you see, please support us. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Love you. Bye. See you in our next video. Bye bye.